Something is starting to scrape on the bottom. And so I need you to identify what it is and make sure I'm not going to get high centered or we'll be here for the night. So can I keep going forward? Okay, and should I keep going straight, right, left? What do I do? That was scary. I've had a bunch of...
I was picking fur out of a crack in my left fender.
Oh, man. And I had a 1-inch deep hole in the very top set once. So, in the winter, if you're into like winter hiking and snowshoeing and that 2014.
Okay, that would be for this car, not for anything I own.
Well, you could take your motorcycle.
No, I can't.
Okay, well, I can.
There's no way. No way.
Yeah.
Guys, later.
Here we go.
Staying off the seat and letting my, but whatever works for you.
Alpine Tundra. Kind of technical that I'm sure I could get it, no problem, I remember.
That would have been lower Yankee Spur.
Yeah. Okay. So I think if we took Yankee Hill up over that hill, we would have come out. I'm like, well, it seems like you have time to kind of do whatever you want to do. Why don't you just ride? So we're gonna go.
Yes.
Like that's all commercial mines.
Oh, okay.
And whether they're new or 100 years old, that's where I was with Tom and Matt going through the atmosphere.
Coming up, turn to your left hand. Perfect. Come. Straighten up.
I don't want to cheat it. Which is really not that steep. I'll show you this.
Keep coming. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Turn left a little. Turn left a little. The other left. Good. You're good. I'm gonna spot you for quite a while. Easy, slow. Hang on. More left.
That way? But I'm turning right on. I can't go on that rock or I'm going to drop off it.
Right at me.
Yeah.
Nice and slow.
Let me come look.
That rock's gonna lift you. Slowly. And right at you. Point it at the boom. Flip it. Lock it. Turn right. Boom. Right at me.
This is where I got stuck with it. This is.
Oh.
And so I need you to identify what it is and make sure I'm not going to get high centered or we'll be here for the night. Hey, what's happening? I'm feeling like I'm in a bad spot. Gate or something.
Okay.
In the back of it says no truck passing in time.
I know how tough it was. Trust me. I mean, I've been on, you know, easier stuff. Could be just after this car, maybe.
And then it's not just excitement, it's like fear. It's like, shit, am I going to get home?
That's exactly right.
David, that